Nice. Avatar 12s. Okay.
I know a big problem I got is I gotta build my box. Cut my cutouts a little too big. So I'm leaking air.
You could get another strip of wood right here.
Yeah, I thought about that.
And then just do 2 cutouts right there. That way you don't have to change boxes. As an option. Where's your port? Okay, down here. Got it. Okay.
Long too.
Yeah. Did you add a piece of wood to shrink it a little?
Yeah.
To play lower?
Yeah, lower, yeah. It was too way too high.
Yeah.
It was the regular port came to about right here.
Okay.
I took it all the way down. So I cut the box size out a little bit.
Okay. Got it.
I got 2 AGMs.
Yep.
One there and there's one in the back. And I got the welcome.
Alright. Let's go look.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
So you said you watched my videos a good bit, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I know
All of them.
Really? Wow, I appreciate you watching. So what's your name and what's in here real quick, man?
2 Avatar 12, a Wolfram 4500, 2 AGMs, that's it. No big 3, no none of that.
Okay, just an extra battery?
Yeah, just 2.
Alright, and what's your amplifier too?
Half on, okay.
Is that battery too?
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet. And you built the box?
Yeah, built myself.
Alright. What's your tuning or bandwidth?
No idea.
No idea?
I know I like to play it. Lower music.
Lower music?
It ain't doing exactly what I want to. I'll send you another box.
Okay. The box is a big important factor in it. Are you wanting to play lower than that, or is that about where you like it?
It's something I would like for it to build up more pressure though on the lower end.
Yeah. Okay. Probably need a bigger box.
Yeah, bigger box.
You're gonna want a bigger box and probably a little bit more port area with the big box.
I need more power too. Those amps is rated 3,000 watt power max. That's only 4,500 and a half ohm. And it's not turned up at all. It's not even a halfway.
Do you have a high output alternator?
No.
See, if you upgrade the alternator too will help.
Yeah.
So alternator, big 3, bigger box, and maybe power after all of that. I would do the box first. It's cheaper.
I got bigger amps. I got a whole other build I work on. Well, this one here was just something.
Okay. Yes, sir.
I'm working on a bigger build.
Okay.
But this one here, I just want to get it to play. Once I get to play in the range I want to play in, build that cabin pressure on the lower end.
Oh yeah.
I'm pretty satisfied with it. Short daily.
Yes, sir. Daily driver bass build.
Yeah,
all right. Yeah, man. All right, man. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
The goal. Back was the place. The jam is live in effect, and I don't waste time. On the mic with a dope rhyme. Jump to the rhythm, jump. It's 205. The lyrics to make you shake your hand, take a chance. And now this
Nice, man.
About it.
I appreciate the little demo, man. Definitely does like probably mid to high 20 hertz range pretty well.
Yeah.
Sounds good. And are you wanting to play lower than that, or is that about where you like it?
It's something I would like for it to build up more pressure though on the lower end.
Yeah. Okay. Probably
I think
need a
that's
bigger box.
Yeah, bigger box.
You're gonna want a bigger box and probably a little bit more port area with the big box.
I need more power too. You know, those amps is rated 3,000 watt power max. That's only 4,500 to have on.
Yes, sir. Daily driver base building.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Yeah, man. You have a good day.
All right, man, you
Hey, thanks for watching.
I'm gonna go check it out.
Yes, sir.